Welcome. If you want to change time zone and our format in your Amazon Fire TV Stick Max, at first you have to open the settings. Next you have to go for preferences, input your protection pin code, and right now you have to scroll down and you have to go for the time zone. In this place we are able to change our time, so we can go for the 24-hour or 12-hour, we can decide. I'm gonna turn on the 24-hour time, and below we got the time zone, so we can pick our region, and I'm actually in the Europe, so I'm gonna pick it, and from this list we can also pick our exact time zone. So I'm gonna get Central Europe Standard Time. And as you can see, our date and the time has changed. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.